There's some mandates coming down from the state that I think a lot of municipalities don't necessarily agree with, but their hands being forced. If you were king for a day, how would you solve this housing problem in California?
Look, I think that some of the stuff, like at least here in Los Angeles, some of the stuff that our new mayor, Karen Bass, is trying to do around low income housing and moderate income housing, I think is gonna help. To what extent it helps, right? Like, time will tell. I'm definitely seeing a lot of different opportunities here in LA that are Executive Directive 1, ED1, is kind of the short for it. And that was Mayor Karen Bass's kind of like highest priority coming into the mayor seat last year. And that essentially is, streamlined processing of multifamily developments in Los Angeles. If you agree to set aside, your units at specific income levels. So it's 80% of your units at 80% AMI, and then 20% of your units at 110 to 120% of AMI. Or you may call it, affordable or workforce or blue collar housing. So if you do that, the process is quicker than it would typically be. So if it takes you 18 months to entitle a development deal in Los Angeles, traditionally, that process is supposed to be much shorter. The target is 30 days or 60 days.
Wow.
I haven't heard of anybody that's doing it that quickly. And I have a client that's building a lot of it or RTIing, ready to issue permits, a lot of it. And they're saying it's taken, 6 to 8 months. So it's, much longer than the target of 60 days, but much shorter also than 18 months to do traditional multifamily. So, I think that'll help.